Honor launch Honor Play 4 and Honor Play 4 Pro in China with some interesting specifications. Start with box content and talk about specifications, and we'll compare the camera and many things to see. In a box you get a phone, some paperwork, mobile charger. Honor Play 4 Pro have 6.57 IPS LCD capacitive touchscreen display with dual hole punch design at top left side of display. The resolution of display is 1080 x 2340 resolution with 19.59 aspect ratio and 392 ppi density, while Honor Play 4 have 6.81 IPS LCD capacitive touchscreen display with single hole punch design at top left side of display. Honor Play 4 Pro is equipped with a 4200 mAh super large battery, supports 40W super fast charging, and has the Rhine safe fast charging certification. Honor Play 4 equipped with a 4300 mAh super large battery and 22.5W fast charge. It can be charged to 51% in 30 minutes, charge for 10 minutes, and talk for 5 hours. Honor Play 4 Pro's infrared temperature measurement function is the industry's first technology. Not only can measure body temperature in real time, but also can measure the temperature of various objects. The Honor Play 4 Pro rear is equipped with Sony's customized 40MP super sensitivity main camera, which improves the light intake by 40%, 8MP telephoto lens, while it had front dual camera, 32MP high definition main camera plus 8 million wide angle lens. Honor Play 4 Pro support 3x optical zoom lens, support 4K 60 frame video recording. Of course, the biggest highlight is infrared, while Honor Play 4 has a front 16MP and a rear 64MP main camera plus 8MP super wide angle plus 2MP depth of field plus 2MP macro 4 camera. You can see camera comparison with some other brand phone. Honor Play 4 Pro is equipped with flagship processor Kirin 990, while Honor Play 4 have MediaTek 800. Honor Play 4 Pro have UFS 3.0, and side fingerprint and NFC also. Honor Play 4 has 3 colors: Iceland Phantom, Phantom Blue and Phantom Night Black. Price are: Honor Play 4 5G, 6GB, 128GB 1,799 yen. 8GB, 128GB 1,999 yen. Honor Play 4 Pro 5G, 8GB, 128GB 2,899 yen. With infrared temperature measurement Versio. 8GB, 128GB 2,999 yen.